I wasn't, call me naive. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about the launch of this new product, Milk RX from BEEKMAN 1802. I'm going to share with you what's in the bag. This is so cute. I love the packaging. So your package comes like this, pretty much in a beauty subscription bag. You have a notepad. You have your receipt for the product. And then you actually have the product. So excited to try this. This is an advanced better aging cream. Inside of the box, it says self-kindness mantra. May I be well, may I be healthy, may I be happy, may I feel at peace, may I feel safe, may I be at ease. May I feel loved and cared for. I love that. So sweet, right? All right. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh, I wasn't, call me naive. Am I going to say, I just thought the color was different. I'm just going to be honest. I thought the color inside was going to be different. This has a very, very, very faint scent. So if you do not like scents, I wouldn't even say it has a scent, but if you're very, very sensitive, very, very faint. All right. Look at this consistency. This is like whipped milk. This is so cool. Consistency. Ooh, this feels good. This feels good. Feels really good on my fingers. So actually we didn't even need that much, but sure. I didn't need that much, but we're gonna add it to our neck. Oh, it feels good. Very, very faint scent, and it's not very faint scent. Very, oh, this feels so good. Oh, this feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. So good. So, oh, my skin feels so good. It feels like, oh, this is very moisturizing. Excited for the fall time. To my cause havoc on my skin. This is very moisturizing. Oh my gosh, this is really good. I'm excited. I love the container that it comes in, like the frosted glass look. Very pretty, very hydrating. They did a great job with this. Super excited about adding this to my skincare routine. They say you need a dime-sized amount. You just need a dime-sized amount. Look at this. This is so pretty. My skin feels so moisturized, so nourished. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Definitely getting added to my daily routines. And I'm excited. I'm so excited about trying this product. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I love the consistency. I love that this product doesn't have an overbearing scent. I wouldn't even say it has a scent, but if you do smell it, it's probably a very, very faint scent. I love that it's fast absorbing. It's not overly moisturized to the point where it feels greasy. That's not what you're getting. You are getting moisturized, as you can see from my hands, but it's a very like luxury silk feeling, not a greasy feeling. And that's definitely what's setting this product apart from a lot of other products. It's very lightweight on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I had a chance to try this. If you are looking for a product, definitely make sure that you give this a try. You won't be disappointed. Your skin won't feel like oily. It will highly moisturized. It just, oh my gosh, my skin feels amazing right now. It feels like I actually just came from the spa, to be honest with you. It's giving that like spa experience at home. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I'll chat with you in the next one.